What is up, party people? My name is Daryl, and today you are going to learn how to create a beautiful custom shop page with the Divi theme. Now, here is an example of what you can expect to learn in this tutorial. So here we have this white girl just being a girl, and then we have the title, we have the price, etc. Now, you can design this any which way you want, and you'll also get free product templates from me in this video as well. I'm not going to show you those templates just yet until you watch this video, but just give you an example of what you can expect. So this is one right here. I'm gonna go to my shop page and let's go ahead and grab another. Something like this right here. That's a really cool. We have the timer right there, etc. So in this video, I'm going to give you these templates, and I'm also going to show you how to create a custom shop page. Now, I've already made a full Divi tutorial, and I'm just going to go ahead and take that section of the video and put it here because I realize maybe you don't want to watch a 3.5-hour video. I know, I know how that is, but let's go ahead and jump to that part of the video where I show you how to create a custom product page. So first, I want to demonstrate how your product looks right now. So right here, click on this. This is the default product page, and you can't make any changes to it. Now you can enable the visual builder here, but you're very limited on what you can change with the visual builder here. It's not a good idea. So right here, let's go ahead now and create a custom product page. So right here, Divi, and go to theme builder, and right here, add a new templates. So let's go ahead and find our products. Now, I'm just going to do all products right now, guys, because I can make 5 or 6 templates, but that would be a very large tutorial and it's very tedious. So I'm just going to say I want this to be my new product template. So right here, create a template, and right here, I'll click on add a custom body and then build a custom body. All right, so you got the shop page down. Now let's talk about how to create custom product pages. So this right here is an example of a custom product. So I want to show you all how to create your own custom product page. Now I do have templates for you as well for these products, but I still think you should follow this tutorial and learn how I built this because you might want to create your own product style, etc. So let's go ahead and go on to the next section. We're going to talk about the product page. Here, I'll click on build from scratch. And now we're going to build our own product page from scratch. Now, this is the product page that we're gonna build. So this right here is going to be our default product page. Now, I actually have this template created for you already, but before I talk about importing theme builder layouts, I want you to understand how to build your own product page in case you want to build your own. So this right here is an example. So whenever I create a product, it's gonna look just like this. The product name is gonna display right there. We're gonna see this product category. We're going to see the product name, the price, the reviews, some description about the product. We'll see the variable right there, and then they have the amount, and then we have the meta, and they can also share it to their favorite social networks. And then below that, we have related products. So let's go ahead and talk about how we made this. So first off, let's make this section right up here. So what I'm going to do right here is add in a 1-column row. Now I want to find the WooCommerce, your WooCommerce title, WooCommerce, where is it? Woo title right there. And I want to go ahead and leave this right now. Now there's a few ways on how you can do this. So this right here is going to dynamically update to whatever your product name is called. You can additionally just put in a text module and just have this like, welcome to the shop, and that will display for all of your products. So it's just a way on how you can decide how you want your products to be displayed. But I want this to dynamically appear as the product name. So over here, I'm gonna go to my settings and go ahead and adjust this to the middle. And I want to change this to, it's already on pop-ins, and I'll change this to something like bold. And then I'll go ahead and leave it like that. Next, I wanna go ahead and add in a divider module. Now right here, you can see how it's kind of hard to add in a divider module because this is kind of blocking it. If that ever happens, you can go over here and you can add it in like this. And that actually works pretty well when you're dealing with modules really close to each other. So I'll click on check and we'll go back over here. Now over here, I'll click on this and I'll just design it how I want it to look. So I'll just change the line to black. And for the sizing right here, I'll add in just a little bit more. And then we can do something like reduce the width, center align it, and reduce the width like that. Something like that. Now over here, you can see it's white. Or what I can do over here is just add in a white background. So I can actually use the same background as before. So right here under section settings, backgrounds, background image, I will go ahead and just put in something like this right here. Or we can put in those girls, you know, something like that, you know, whatever, you know, you guys get the idea, right? So right here, I'll click on check. Now I have this right here. So the next thing I want to do is add in all of this stuff right here. So let's go ahead and make a 2-column row. So right here, plus regular, 2 columns. Now right here, I want to put my image. So whenever I have an image for my products, I want to have them dynamically update right here. So let's go ahead and find my not Woo title. What am I doing? Let's go back over here. Woo image, the Woo image, Woo images, and I want to leave it as this product for now. All right, we'll just leave it as this product. Okay. I know that looks really, really ugly, but yeah, that's what we're working with right now. So sorry, guys. Remember, this is a template, so this is not going to show up like that. So right here, we'll add a new module. Now over here, I first have this module right here. It's the WooCommerce notice settings. And you always need to have this on your page because whenever you create a product and they add it to the carts, that little notice is going to display. So WooCommerce cart notice. And I want to have this as like the same color scheme. So I just want to make sure that this is all of the same font, all of the same color. So what I'll do here is I'll go on over to my background really quick. And I'll make sure that this is black. And then for the design right here under the text, we can change this to something like Poppins. And then again, I can always change the button as well. And then we can use something like black, etc. So something like that. Now remember, this is only going to display when someone actually adds it to the cart, all right? So the next thing we're gonna do is add in the WooCommerce breadcrumb settings. So right here, plus breadcrumbs. And of course, we can go ahead and design this as well. So design, text, text fonts, Poppins, and then bold, and then we can change this color, etc. And then I can center align that, maybe make it a little bit bigger, something like that. And then we'll also center align this as well. So this is now this is like the navigation for them. So they can always go back home or they can always, you know, check it out, etc. Now here also is the product name. So again, right here, I'll go ahead and click on plus and Woo title. So Woo title, and I will go ahead and put this in the center. Is that right? The center, yeah, center like that. Does that look good? Looks like we need to add a divider right here. So I'll just copy this. You know, I'm lazy, guys. I'm lazy. There we go. There we go. That's what we're doing now. You know, that's what we're doing. So let's see if I can reduce the padding and space here. Can I do that right there? Here we go. A little bit. Okay. There we go. And then let's go ahead and add in some description text. So right here, plus WooCommerce description. And I'll go ahead and leave this in the center as well. So again, these are all the same settings, guys. I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not, okay? I'm lazy. Here, I'll go ahead and put it in the center like that. What I missed right here was the reviews. Now, the reviews are going to display if there are reviews available, all right? And we'll do the reviews. I'm sorry, it is not the reviews, it is the ratings. So we'll do the Woo rating right here. And I'll just put this something like, you know, we can change this to black, change the text color. Let's see. So we'll do the layouts. Stacked or inline, you know? I don't know. That's a tough one. Here are the text. Change that to black. And then we can go ahead and center align this. And I'll go ahead and leave this right up here for something like that. Maybe again, we can even take away some space. Oops. Let me go ahead and undo that. Whoops, my bad. Oh, no. There we go. Woof, there we go. Something like that, right? And you guys get the idea. You can actually go through this and design it, etc. I'll go ahead and go to the next one. So here we have the price, the ratings. Let's go and have the Woo price. And I believe I put the price, the product name. We have the product name right there. So this is a little bit too hard to do. So what I'll do here is go on over here, and I'll do the WooCommerce. See, we have the name, the price, and the reviews. So we have the name, the price, the reviews, and the description. And now let's go back over here. That's a really good way, guys, because when you're dealing with modules this close, it's really hard to like control them. So, you know, it's just it's the good way to do it. It's a smart way to do it. Here, price text, I will go ahead and change this to black, and we will center align this as well. And then again, you might want to add in some spacing like that right here as well. And then over here, we'll go ahead and select the WooCommerce add to cart section. So over here, add to cart, design, text, and then, you know, black, keep everything consistent here. Text color, there we go. And then we will go ahead and put this in center align. And also there is a button module somewhere, and I will just change this to black really quickly just to give you an idea. So this is how it's going to play, guys. So the product name is going to display right here. When someone adds it to the cart, this is going to display. The product name will display dynamically right here. And that's pretty much it. Now, also right here, I have a divider, and I have some social icons as well. So over here, I'll click on this plus. Actually, we can go ahead and duplicate this. So I'll duplicate this module, this one right here, right? Click on this and drag it down below here because I'm lazy. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, it went right here. Is that right? Yeah, that's weird. All right, divider right there. And then over here, I added in the Woo meta settings. So I'll just go ahead and add in, I'll work from here. You know, we can work over here for a little bit. You know, let's change it up. The Woo meta settings. And then over here, I just put in some social media follow icons. So that's just a basic module. It doesn't really have anything to do with, you know, it doesn't have anything to do with the WooCommerce. So here I'll just put that. You know, we'll put Facebook. You know, and then we'll put in something like Pinterest, and then we'll put in something like LinkedIn, and then I'll add in another one, Instagram. Yeah, everyone loves Instagram. And I probably need to center align this. You know, I'm just working from the back end, guys. I'm just guessing, but I'm assuming I need to align all this in the middle because that's where I put everything. All right, let's click on save really quick. Let's save our progress here. Make sure that's done, and then desktop view. So yeah, you guys get it. I just need to change the colors, and you guys understand. Now over here, we have the WooCommerce related products. So what I can do now is I'll just add in another one right here, add in one, and then add in related products. And I'll do something like 4 columns. That's good. And then click on save. So essentially what I've done here is I have basically created a template for all of our product pages. Now, the only way to find out if this is working or not is to test it. So let's go ahead and test this. So I'm gonna click on save, X, and then we're going to go to save changes. So let's go ahead and just make a basic product. Visit sites. Now what we can also do is go on over to our shop page over here, and we can click on a product, and there you go. So this is kind of our new shop page. Now there is some weird discrepancy here. So it looks like up here, are, let's see here, what did we miss? Our home product, this is displayed, right? Yeah, home product. It looks like our category did not display. Oh no, it did display correctly. Yeah, it is. Now I probably need to adjust that. So I just need to switch the divider. It looks like I messed up right there. So you guys get the point though. So I need to put the divider right here instead. So that's basically how I achieved this product page. And then again, related products down here, everything looks really good. Let me go ahead and adjust that really quickly. You know, I'm a perfectionist, guys. I want this to look perfect. So let me go ahead and just change that really quickly. So over here under my theme builder, I'm gonna go back to my products, and this is a way on how you can always design, you know, how you can fix everything. In fact, yeah, I did mess up right here. What are you doing over there? There you go. And there you go. Now right here, save. Now let's go back to our product, and let's just see if we can just go ahead and refresh the page here. So refresh the page. There we go. And voila. So now all of your products are going to just be displayed like this. Pretty cool. Now there is one more thing we need to test. We need to test this add to cart function. Add to cart, and voila. So now this displays right there. Users can now view the cart, etc. Now guys, I actually created several product pages for all of you in this video. So what you can do is go to my website, darrelwilson.com, and I'll actually show you where you can download all of the product pages. I've basically created, I want to say it's 4 for everybody. So view the layouts on my website, and you guys can actually download this entire layout kit. So it's on the second page right here. And this is right here, Divi e-commerce layouts. And you can go ahead and add this to the cart, and then you can actually get the home, the about, and all of the product layouts. Now, I haven't shown you all the product layouts yet, so let me just close this really quickly. Discard and exit this. So I've actually created separate product categories for everyone. So this is product 1 right here. Just to give you an example, it's something very basic, you know. So the image goes here. We have this looking like that. So you're going to get all this for free in the package. This is number 2 right here. Essentially, it's almost the same as the first one. Now, in case you get this white screen, guys, what you need to do, I know this sounds really, really weird, is you need to actually just delete this, and then it displays. I don't know why it does that. So this is the second product page, all right? So that's number 2, and discard and exit. And then right here we have number 3. And again, if you get a white screen, like I said, all you need to do is go ahead and delete this little spinning thing right here. So go ahead and just delete that, and it'll display. So this is number 3 right here. And you can see we have this timer. We've added some icons, product name, the reviews, and everything looks pretty good. We have this header up here. So this right here is, again, number 3. And then we have number 4 as well. And then we also have the default one. So I just want to let you guys know that you guys get all of these included in this video. And remember, you have to delete that little area. I don't know why, guys, it does it. This theme builder is brand new, so it's just a glitch. So I hate to say that, but it's just something weird that I don't know. So basically, let me show you all now how to import this. So I basically showed you guys how to create your own product category, your own product pages from scratch. Now, you can also go a step further, guys, and go to add a new template, and then go to a specific product. So specific products, and you can actually create a specific page for a specific product. But I've already shown you how to do that with the category pages. So at this point, guys, I'm not gonna do it because I think you guys can kind of understand how this works. And the theme builder applies for everything. It applies for a footer. It applies for any part of your website. Now, what I want you guys to do next is I want you to actually download this layout, and I'm going to show you how you can upload it to your website. So right here we have theme builder. Now, I gave you guys all those pages earlier, and inside that folder there is a JSON file for the theme builder. So right here under this portability, I want you to click on import, and I want you to click on no file selected. And then I want you to find that folder I gave you guys. So the folder I gave you guys was the Divi e-commerce pack. Was it this one right here? Yeah. So this is the theme builder shop category products JSON. It's basically everything. Now I'm going to open this, but really quickly, this right here is going to override everything on your website. So if you've created something through this video, don't check those. But if you haven't created anything, this is just going to override everything. So this is now going to be all of your templates, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and override this really quickly because I've already made all these from scratch for you. Now I'm going to import this onto our theme builder. So now you can see that we have all of these are unassigned. So these are essentially the product layouts for you. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one really quickly. So I've created the shop for you. I've created the product categories for you. And I also created a custom global footer for you as well. So let's go ahead and check that out. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and save changes. So I basically just overrid everything I've done just because I'm a nice guy and I want to give you guys all these layouts for free. But these unassigned are the product layouts. So you can actually go ahead and click on them and just see what they are. Just saying, oh, what is this? And then this is the products, etc. So I'm just basically showing you what you can get with all of these. So these are everything I've created for you. Everything is done, etc. All right, party people, hopefully that was helpful. Let me know in the comments if I left anything out, if you had any questions about the product pages, because you can create some really dynamic product pages with Divi. In fact, you can create anything that you want with the new theme builder from Divi. So also make sure to check out that other video. It's a very long tutorial, but it's very in-depth and it covers everything you need to know about selling online with Divi, and also how to create your e-commerce website. So be sure to check that video out. My name is Darrel Wilson, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Take it easy, guys.